Today we will be starting on lesson 5.1 deposits. In this chapter, we're talking about savings accounts. They work very similar to checking accounts, just slight differences. So, the first thing I want to do is we are starting a new chapter today. So, let's start by starting a new equation sheet. Chapter 5 Equations. For this lesson, our one equation is going to be total deposit equals currency plus coins plus checks minus cash received. There are two vocabulary words for today's lesson. The first one is savings account. That is a specific kind of savings account that earns interest. Deposit are checks, currency, or coins put into a banking account, savings and loan, credit union, or brokerage firm. Some of those sound very familiar. Let's take a look at example 1. Robert Cassidy wants to deposit the following into a savings account: 28 $1 bills, 8 $5 bills, 24 quarters, 35 dimes, 90 pennies, a check for $29.34, and a check for $124.19. He wants to receive a $50 bill in cash. How much will he deposit? See figure 5.1. All right, so let's talk about how they got their currency here. Currency, remember, is your paper money. So ones, fives, tens, 20s, and so on. So to find the 28 $1 bills, we would do 28 times 1. The 8 $5 bills, we would do 8 times 5. This gives me 28. This gives me 40. So together that is $68. Coins are my quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies. So this is my change. Let's talk about how they got this amount. We would have done 24 times 0.25 per quarter. We would have done 35 times 0.10 because it's a dime. We would have done 90 times 0.01 because it's a penny. All right, 24 times 0.25 would be $6. 35 times 0.10 would be $3.50. And then 90 times 0.01 would be 0.90. When we add that together, we do indeed get $10.40. All right. Notice they listed their checks separately. We had the check for $29.34. We had a check for $124.19. To find the subtotal, what they did was they took all of this, added it together to get this amount right here. Then they took this part right here where he wants to receive this, that went there. Okay, these were the same. And anything in this line would be subtracted to go here. So it would be these two amounts subtracted to get to this point. So how much did he deposit? Looks like he deposited $181.93. When you get to the try on your own here in just a few seconds, please make sure you remember the following: currency plus coins plus checks minus cash received. I want you to pause your videos for about 7 minutes and answer questions 1 and 2. Try on your own. Pause your video now. As you can see, the answers to questions 1 and 2, try on your own, have been provided. Take a moment to check over your answer and make sure you got that right. And then move on to the debriefing question that follows.